Hello guys, my name is Olusoya Ahmed and the founder of Skills and Income School. And lately I posted in the group that I'm going to be teaching you how you can make 150,000 Naira every month selling cars online. Yes, come to think of it, if I tell you 150,000 Naira selling cars online, now the first thing that will come in your mind is that I don't have a car. How can I sell a car? So how can I get a car to sell? Okay, it's very simple. Okay, now last month, okay, I've been selling cars, but I'm not consistent. Okay, but just once it just comes, I just do it. Okay, that is not my main core business, but at least once it comes, once you utilize the opportunity. Okay, now last month I sold a Volvo car, and that Volvo car worth 3 million, and the commission on it is like 40k or 50k or something. Okay, and this month I'm also going for another car, which I'll be disclosing to you later. But the purpose of this video is to show you the step by step how you can sell cars online and make cool profits. Okay, now if you want to make fast money, okay, you need to do one thing. You need to have like 12,000 Naira with you. Okay, the 12,000 Naira is not for training, it's for your own scaling up, okay, of this business. Okay, scaling up of this business. Now let me give you the practical step-by-step process on how you can go about selling cars online. Number one, the question is, how can you get cars to sell? Okay, how can you get cars to sell? Now I want to give you my own idea on how to get cars, okay, like who I use and how I use, but I'm going to give you so you can go out there and you can also explore. Okay, you can also explore. Now, how do you get cars online? Number one, what you need to do is to make this work faster, to make it faster. Okay, if you want to sell fast, okay, you can go for used cars. Okay, used cars that are clean. Okay, Nigerian used cars that are clean. Okay, yeah, it sells faster, very fast. It sells faster than Tokumbo. The Tokumbo is always expensive, you know. Like used cars now, people can, if it's clean and it's okay, people can really price it. Okay, let me take this. Now, how do you get used cars? It's very simple. Now, around you, in your street, in your area, you have car dealers. Yes, you have car dealers over there. Okay, be it in Lagos, you are in Port Harcourt, you are in Abuja, you are in Ogun, anywhere. Okay, you have car dealers everywhere you go. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to go to these car dealers. Okay, ask them, do they sell used cars or do they sell Tokumbo cars? You can do the both. Okay, it's very good, but me, I focus mostly on used cars because they are clean and it's okay and it's very fast. Okay, it's faster to sell, okay, in Nigeria than Tokumbo. You know, most people don't have really money for Tokumbo cars like that in Nigeria. But if you have used cars that are clean, okay, now I'm going to be giving you the step-by-step guide on how you can sell that used cars. Okay, now number one is you go to the car dealer, ask them, do they have used cars for sale or Tokumbo cars? Now it is not all brand of cars you sell, you guys. Okay, so don't make that mistake. Now the fastest moving cars that are selling online is Toyota, Honda. Yes, Toyota and Honda, they sell really fast online. They sell really fast. Okay, they sell really fast. They are used cars, they sell really fast. I recommend Toyota and Honda. Now, which kind of Toyota and which kind of Honda that sell really fast? I'm going to be giving you the secret. Now, if you want to strike a deal with your dealer, ask them, do they have this car consistently on sale? Not that you find a customer, a client that is ready to buy a car, and you get there, you tell them that, oh, this car, it has been sold. No, sorry, it has been sold. That's a disappointment. Okay, it's a disappointment. You ask them, this car, is it always available whenever I need it? Okay, that is what you are going to ask those dealers. So that's what I'm saying. Like Toyota Corolla 2003 to 2005 model, they are really readily available. Okay, they are really readily available and they sell fast. Then under EOD of any year, okay, they sell really fast. Toyota Camry, Mozu, they sell really fast. Used cars. Under Acura, they sell really fast too. Okay, but EOD sells faster. Ivy Tech, they sell faster. Okay, and Hyundai too. But I want you to stick with Toyota and Honda for now. Then once you start going, you can expand the scope. Now, Toyota, and make sure you are specifying on one brand for now, so that you just be scattering about. Just be focused. Now, once you are done, now don't agree with the dealer, because some dealer will tell you, okay, we are going to give you we are selling for 120. Maybe for example, we are selling for like 700,000 or 800,000 naira for this car. Okay, you can sell any amount, maybe 1.2 million, and you remove your costs, and don't agree. Okay, do not ever agree on that. Ask them that I want to sell this car for you. I want to be an agent for you, day in, day out. What is my commission? It's on a commission basis, just like an affiliate, marketing. It's a commission basis, okay? Commission basis. How much do you want to give me? Okay? How much do you want to give me? 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000. Okay? How much do you want to give me? So now, if you know how much you want to give me, then I will know how you can bargain. Okay, what you can bargain at. Okay. Now that is the first step. Now the second step is, after you have secured that deal. Okay, you have secured the deal. Now you now go to the second step. Now, what is the second step? The second step is that you have a good phone, a good smartphone that you can use to take pictures. Okay, now how do you take pictures? Now you are going to take 10 different pictures of that car. 10 different pictures. Now you take the picture of the interior, that is number 1. You take the picture of the exterior, by the right exterior, 2, the left, 3, the back, 4, the front, 5. Okay, now you go sideways, you snap, that is 6. You open the engine of the car, you snap it, make it what? 7. Go inside the boot, open the boot, snap it, 8. And let me tell you something, if you are snapping the engine, please make sure it is washed. It's your business. If you open the engine of the car and you see that it is very dirty, please wash it. Let them wash it, or you pay 500 naira for people to wash it, because it's your business. Because the way you advertise it is the way people will come to you. Nobody wants to buy. You know, it's packaged. You are packaging your business. It's a business. If it's not washed, make sure you wash the engine before you snap it. Okay, that is a psychology of selling. Now people don't want tattered cars. They want clean cars. If your car is dirty, wash it. And also, if you have a buy me now sticker at the back of the car, remove it before you start snapping. There are people who call that number. It has happened to me before. So you remove the buy me sticker at the back of your car, of the car. Now once you have, and that is 7, you snap the boot, that is 8. Okay, now exterior too, you snap the front, you snap the back. Okay, that is now, and you go far, you now snap the whole car. Okay, that is that, and you snap the tires. Yes, just snap 2 tires. So that is it. Now how do you now promote it? Now what you need to do now is go to gg.ng. If you don't have an account on gg.ng, gg.ng is an online marketplace where buyers connect with sellers. Go to gg.ng, register an account, and upload the cars. And mind you, now GG, now their new update is that you can no longer post free adverts on cars category. Yes, you can no longer post advert on cars category. Okay, that is why I said you should have 12,000 naira. That 12,000 naira will run the advert for you for like 30 days. Bet you within 5 days of that advert, guys, you will get a call, you will get a message from people asking you how much last, how much you want to sell it. That is it. So I have 12,000 naira for this business. That's why I say 12,000 naira. Okay. Now, once you use 12,000 naira for this business, you can request a manager call on Gigi so that they can call you. They will discuss how you can promote more of the business, how they can assist you like that. Okay. Now, what do you do when people calls you that they are interested in the car? Okay. Once they are interested in the car, you can bargain. Okay. Now, ask the dealer, what is the last price? Listen attentively. Ask the dealer, what is the last price ready to leave the car? If the dealer says 750,000 naira last, nothing more, nothing less, do not go beyond that because of your commission. Okay. At first, you can price the car for like 900k. If it's the 750 last, you can price it for 900,000 naira. Okay. Now, once you price it for 900,000 naira, so and the dealer and the buyer is ready, he or she will come down to your location. Okay. Now, how do you represent yourself as a trustworthy agent, as an honest fellow? Because this is Nigeria, kidnapping is everywhere. Everybody is scared. How can you position your clients? Now, before your client comes, okay, ensure you make a video call with your clients. Ensure you have a one-on-one video conversation. Your number, your name, everything. Tell the client, okay? Don't tell the client your address, please. This is Nigeria. So make sure you have a video conversation so that the client can be rest assured that okay, I'm dealing with the right person. And once the person comes to your location, okay, ensure you are always on standby. You call the person. You can even hire a taxi, okay, for you to convey your client to the place. Okay. And once your client comes there, now the now you will have told your car dealer that so person is coming, so person is coming. Okay. This is the amount you guys have agreed. Okay, this is the amount you guys have agreed. Now once you come there and you meet your client, okay, now you will have signed an agreement that your client should not in a way give your dealer should not in a way give your client's number or complimentary card or whatsoever. Do not allow that. It will be part of your agreement. Okay, because some people are funny. They will tell you, okay, take our complimentary card, okay, you call us later, and they will strike the deal behind you, and without that on that note, you lose that customer. Then once you get there, if you do not know more about the car, if you do not know much about the car, ask the dealer. Okay, ask the dealer to explain to the guy. Make sure, okay, they test run the car, they do the test run it, at least you are with the client. Okay, you are with the client. Okay. So I don't know the mode of registration. You go to the car dealer, you sign an agreement. You can ask you to submit your passport or your ID card or something like that. So for for trust issues. Now that is it. So once the deal is done, make sure you are the one that is doing the necessary things, the talking, the everything. Make sure you know more about the car before you can start doing all. If you don't know how to drive, you can hand over to the dealer and you must be inside the car if they are testing the. Okay, now you can position yourself as the worker there. So okay, this is my boss. Okay, meet my boss. This is my boss. You are so just like that, like you are a marketer. So and the boss will handle it, and they have experience. They know how to converse the client. They know how to close the client. Okay, you can leave the talking to them if you don't know how to do that. Okay, as for me, I do the talking myself. Okay, so we can learn that also to increase your sales. Okay, now come to think of it, do not stick to one client, so one dealer. You can have 2, 3, 4 dealers, 5 dealers, 6 dealers self. Okay, because if one fails, you go to another one. Okay, so for example, now if you are selling Toyota Corolla 2002 model for to a dealer, okay, and this client doesn't have it, okay, you can tell the dealer, you can tell the client, oh, this Corolla 2002, this color, we just sold it out now, okay, we have this color, wouldn't you mind? So you can go to the next dealer if it has the same color, okay, not necessarily putting your eggs in one basket. And once the deal is done, money enter, okay, so you collect your money, receive your alert, and proceed, guys. You can make 20,000 or 30,000 on a sale, okay. Now remove your 12,000 naira from, let me say 30,000 naira commission, that is about 18,000, okay. And if you don't mind, you can even do a day advert. A day advert on GG is like 1,000 stuff, so you can just test the advert for like 3 days or 4 days, okay. It's not necessarily putting 12,000 naira, okay. If you don't mind, you can put 12,000 naira for one advert, okay, or one car. But if you want to do it per day, you want to test how it is going, you can just use 2 or 3 days, and you know, within 3 days you can get clients, because at least you can get clients, you get your first customer within 5 days. Okay, guys, so this is how you can sell. Now if you want to now make your adverts, your sales, you want to increase more sales, you want people to be calling you every often, I need this car or more, you need to run Facebook adverts. Okay, guys, if you run Facebook adverts, you will tire. You will tire with calls. Okay, maybe one of these days I'm going to do a video on how to run Facebook adverts selling cars. Okay, selling cars online, so that you can know how you can run Facebook adverts selling that car. I can bet it within 24 hours you see calls, you see WhatsApp messages. People are interested, people want to buy cars, people have money in this country. Forget, people get money. If you don't know, you don't know. Okay, they get money. So this is how you can do this business and start earning 150,000 or more monthly. Okay, so you need to what? You need to get started right now. Go to the dealer. It doesn't cost you anything. You can even, if you don't have money for advert DG, you can even go to Facebook groups, join cars, join business marketplaces, join everything. Post the cars, post the amount, record the car, record the video as you are doing it. That this is you. This is okay. You know, people scam people online. Record it and make sure your video, you show yourself for trust, for trust issues. Okay, so all these things you need to do if you don't have money for advert. But I bet you, if you post on GG, guys, you are going to get massive results. Okay, guys, implement this thing. I want to see results. I want you to make 150,000 naira or more doing this business as a side hustle. Okay, you can do it. Try it. Go to the car dealer beside you. Yes, you looking at me. Yes, there is a car dealer beside you. Go there. Go and strike a deal. Don't sit at home. Okay, also, okay, guys. Okay, this is how to sell cars online. I'm just showing you this video. I came here to do some things, so I just okay. Let me just show you this video on how to sell cars. Okay, guys, I'm zooming off. Thank you very much for watching this video, and hope you will implement this video. Thank you. Zoom off.